In your life, there are going to be a handful of times when you're around rich people. This is your opportunity to make powerful connections with people who are affluent and influential. Their insights, network input, or sometimes even financial backing will cut how long it takes for you to find financial freedom in half. So don't screw this up. All 7 of these are important, and you might find yourself guilty of more than one of them. So watch until the very end. Here are 7 things that rub rich people the wrong way. Being late or answering late. Rich people highly value their time and consider it more important than others' time. To win their favor, focus on saving their time, since many businesses catering to the wealthy are centered around time-saving services like concierge and private jets. When communicating with rich individuals, be prompt in responding to texts and providing quick input, as they often make decisions swiftly based on available information and intuition. Delayed responses might make them lose interest in you as it disrupts their workflow. Acting like you're doing them a favor when it's actually for personal gain. If you pretend to do wealthy individuals a favor while actually seeking personal gain, they will see through your intentions quickly. They've encountered such tactics before and can spot insincerity. Building relationships with affluent people requires genuine give and take over time, where you offer something valuable multiple times before expecting something in return. Merely trading for your own benefit without building true connections is not the same as fostering lasting relationships. Lying about anything. Never lie to rich people or deceive them in any way. Once they catch you in a lie, it's challenging to regain their trust. Initially, they may believe what you say, but if that trust is broken, they will assume you are lying by default. It's better to be truthful from the start, as lying may offer temporary benefits, but it will harm your future prospects. When you take more than you give. Rich people are often very generous and enjoy helping others succeed. However, they dislike those who feel entitled to their resources. Healthy relationships are built on mutual support and empathy, and taking more than you give will lead to their withdrawal from your circle. Remember, balance in giving and taking is essential to maintain positive connections with wealthy individuals. When you ask for second chances without fixing what got you in trouble in the first place. If you find yourself seeking a second chance after getting into trouble, it's essential to address the root issue. While people are generally willing to give second chances, you must prove yourself worthy of it. This means not only fixing immediate problems, but demonstrating consistent, positive behavior over a significant period. Keep in mind that the trust granted with a second chance may never reach the same level as the initial opportunity. When you're immature and financially irresponsible, when you display immaturity and financial irresponsibility, rich people won't feel the need to act as your parent or show off their wealth. Their success comes from being prudent with money. Watching you spend recklessly might lead them to think you are wasting unearned money, causing respect for you to diminish. Often, those who spend extravagantly are the ones struggling financially, trying to hide their struggles by digging themselves into deeper financial trouble. It's when you backstab others. If you backstab others, be aware that the same may happen to you in the future. People who gossip about others will likely gossip about you too. These individuals are willing to sacrifice anyone to achieve their own success. Take note of how those around you treat others, and be cautious about trusting such people. When dealing with wealthy individuals, avoid pretending to be financially well off if you're not. Rich people value effort and progress more than pretending to be successful. They respect those who are determined to improve their situation regardless of their starting point. Show your dedication through hard work rather than pretending to have wealth or success. Share your learnings about rich people in the comments. Rich people appreciate genuine effort, and your progress will impress them more than pretending to be wealthy. Control what you can, focus on your efforts, and positive changes will follow. Let us know if you're ready for positive changes by writing a line in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, watch this video. Bye.